Listen, if you want to really, really make a lot of money, you got to change your money mindset. Stay tuned. I'm going to share with you things that took me from being really broke. I'm talking at one point, I was living in a small 600-foot apartment with no running water. Today, with an 8-figure net worth and millions of dollars in revenue coming in. So what I've learned throughout the process is it all starts with my roots. I repeat, my roots that determine my fruits, and understanding what's called the process of manifestation. Everything starts with my thoughts, and my thoughts lead to my feelings, which affect my actions and create my results. But the problem is my root system is where all the thoughts are happening. And so my roots are automatic. And if my thoughts are automatically driving me to fear or anxiety or to negative thoughts, I will feel negative emotion and create negative actions and create negative results. So there's 3 reasons that are stopping people from being rich in their money mindset. Number 1, it's complaining. People are complaining about the situation. If you find yourself complaining about money ever, like I can't afford that, or money's hard to get, or rich people screw people over, any of these beliefs, this is complaining. I recommend you switch them out for positive affirmations and you admire and model rich and successful people and say, hey, they got some that I can learn and add to my life. Number 2 is blame. Whenever you blame the economy, you blame someone else, when you blame the market, when you blame a friend, when you blame a parent, when you blame your condition, whatever, blame shuts off the flow in your money mindset, and you'll repel money because you feel bad when you're complaining and blaming, and therefore your actions turn into crap. And then the 3rd is justification. I hear people all the time justify, well, money isn't make you happy, or money isn't that important. Well, when you declare money is not important, you'll literally create that feeling money is not important, so you won't act on it. Don't justify your way to being broke. Make sure that you appreciate all of the money that has been given to you. Be grateful for every dollar you have, no matter what level it is, and you'll switch that. Because this is all about our financial thermostat in our blueprint. So, for example, if my thermostat is set to 70 degrees and outside it's really hot, I leave the doors and windows open, I'm gonna have more than 70 degrees in the house, but my air conditioning is gonna kick on and drop the temperature back down to 70 degrees. Once again, if I've got 70 degrees in the house and it's really cold outside, I open the doors and the windows, the cold air comes in, it drops the temperature below 70 degrees, the thermostat's gonna kick in and bring the heat back up to 70 degrees inside the house. It's the same thing with your money blueprint. It's set to a certain temperature right now of what your capacity of money and how much you can have in your life right now. It's set unconsciously. Now, if you like what the temperature of your money is in your life, then don't do anything. But if you want to turn that thermostat up, if you want it to feel hotter when it comes to money in your life, we got to turn your thermostat up. And there's 4 reasons why I recommend you do that. Number 1 is your lifestyle. You deserve an incredibly abundant, affluent life. You deserve to eat healthier foods. You deserve to travel in better ways, in first class instead of economy, on a plane instead of a Greyhound, on a private instead of first class. You deserve to stay in the presidential suite. You deserve to have the Gucci shoes. You deserve to have lots of real estate investment that pay you over and over again. You deserve to be able to put your kids in the best opportunities, on the best teams, in the best schools. You deserve to travel to faraway places. You deserve that. It's not the only reason, because the second reason is your ability to contribute. With way more money, you can serve way more people. You can give way more to more foundations like Operation Underground Railroad, to your local food bank, to your family. You can provide more opportunity to the people that need it. You can help feed more people. Number 3 is who you become in the process, because who you are now at your current level of wealth is not who you'll be when you have millions and millions of dollars and lots of financial freedom in your life. You become a different person in the process. You think differently, you act differently, and ultimately you feel differently. And that's one of the major reasons. But the 4th reason is so you can stop worrying about your financial future. What would it be like if you could go to bed at night not worrying about money tomorrow? If you had millions of dollars in the bank, or if you knew more money was coming in because your belief in your thermostat was set such that money just finds you, it chases you down, it comes to you easily and frequently. So the ability to stop thinking or worrying about money is one of the most important reasons why you should turn up and change your mindset around money, turn up your financial blueprint, and you can stop worrying and start making money. You're in a better state, and the process of manifestation allows you to feel better, act better, and receive better. Thanks for watching. I want to hear your comments down below on your thoughts of financial blueprint. And I'd love to help you get there, so reach out to me anytime. Click the like button, share, and we'll see you on the next video.